Before we visit Italy, imagine a land where every street feels like an open-air museum, and every corner carries the scent of history, art, and warm food. Italy is a country shaped by beauty, from ancient cities built thousands of years ago, to quiet villages surrounded by hills and sea. Everything here feels alive with memory. People often come to Italy for its famous art, its delicious food, and its timeless architecture. But what they discover is something deeper, a way of life that values beauty in simple moments. In one city, you may see grand stone buildings that once belonged to empires. In another, calm canals reflect soft lights as the world slows down for a moment. Italy is also the birthplace of artists, explorers, and dreamers who changed the world with their ideas. And beyond the cities, there are peaceful landscapes, golden fields, rolling hills, and coastal towns where time seems to move gently. Italy is not just a country. It is a feeling of warmth, history, and living art. Now, let the journey continue into imagination.